Welcome to the course. This course will help build foundational concepts about cloud computing. Knowledge gained from this course will help you in your journey toward becoming a cloud professional. You will gain an excellent conceptual understanding of cloud computing, Docker, and the cost aspect of cloud computing with respect to the on-prem environment. You will also understand different main cloud computing types, such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Furthermore, you will also get an overview of some modern cloud computing types, such as data as a service, which is becoming a new paradigm for delivering data products, desktop as a service, and function as a service, which is becoming popular nowadays in some business domains. The course details different cloud deployment models: public, private, hybrid, community, and multi-cloud. Cloud deployment models mainly deal with the management and accessibility of computing resources. You will also understand what the term multi-tenancy is in cloud computing. You will be able to understand the cloud applications deployment model, which is essential to know if you are involved in a cloud migration or modernization project. Installing a Linux virtual machine using Oracle VirtualBox will teach you about virtualization and virtual machines. You will also understand hypervisors. You will learn about Docker. This is a hands-on section. We will take a use case of running a web server using a Docker container to get a good handle on Docker concepts. You will also learn many common Docker commands from the DevOps perspective. In the final sections, you will learn about cloud computing from a cost perspective. For example, you will learn about total cost of ownership, TCO, and cost-benefit analysis in cloud computing. You will also understand what CapEx and OpEx are in cloud computing. This packed course has a blend of theory, quizzes, and hands-on. Enroll today to start learning cloud computing.